Hey, it's Cyrus, and if you're someone who's driven and motivated and wants to achieve great things in life, sometimes you forget to enjoy life and really revel in and soak in the things that make life meaningful. And we fall into that trap because we think it's one or the other. Like if we enjoy our lives or soak in the moment, we're going to lose all our motivation or forward momentum. But that's just not true. If you find some genuine enjoyment and presence, it's just going to fuel whatever it is you want to create. So we're going to use our imagination today to swing the pendulum in the other direction, to really get those juices flowing of enjoying exactly where we're at right now. And I think you might be pleasantly surprised by how this affects you, so just keep an open mind, and if you're ready, go ahead and find a comfortable position, sitting upright in a chair or lying down, and close your eyes. And with the eyes closed, take a deep, slow breath in through the nose now, all the way down to the toes. Track it down and then back up as you exhale slowly out through the mouth. And just start to connect to your body by noticing the breath dancing at the tip of your nostrils. Notice the nerve endings in the lips, the tongue and the inside of the mouth, the throat, the shoulders, and upper arms. Not thinking, just tracking the sensations as you move down to the lower arms, the hands and fingers. Hopscotch down to the feet, feeling the toes and the feet, the sensation and blood flow in the ankles, and through the lower legs, up into the upper legs, the pelvis, the core, feeling your belly, your lower back, your chest and your upper back flowing with the breath. And now with your attention resting at your heart, start to become aware of what you want to achieve, what you want to create, what you want to move towards. And notice the feelings that come up in your body when you think about those things. And just embrace them for now. Don't suppress them, don't judge them, don't analyze them. Just welcome whatever it is you feel. If it's a hunger, or a striving, or a sensation of being pushed or pulled, or whatever it is that you notice, just feel it. Observe it wherever it is in the body, and allow it to flow for a moment. Keep allowing it at deeper and deeper levels. Notice how it feels to really make space and really welcome whatever feelings want to flow through the body as you breathe with them. And allow the full wave through without holding it back. And now imagine like it's a wave that's passing all the way through to shore, and like you can just release it for now into a bigger energy. However you intuitively sense that flowing out of you, just breathe. And on the exhale, imagine it dissolving and letting go for now. Just for now, releasing all of that wanting, driving energy. Give yourself permission to let it go. It'll come back when you need it, but for now, allow yourself to feel it flowing out. And to allow a vast sense of space to open up in the body. a sense of lightness and ease opening up effortlessly through all the cells of the body with the breath. Allow yourself to enjoy that feeling of spacious lightness and ease for a moment. And now, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself living wherever you want to live that feels simple and peaceful. Not a place that's strategic in its location or relative to its convenience for work, but just a place that calls out to your soul because of its coziness and peace. Maybe it's a simple, quiet house in a friendly neighborhood in the suburbs. Maybe it's an old-fashioned cottage nestled in the countryside, or a modest pad somewhere in a beach town. But listen to your soul and land wherever you feel called out to land in this moment. And imagine yourself living there, not needing to work except for your own pleasure and curiosity. Living either by yourself, if that's your preference, or with whoever you imagine yourself ideally living with. That deepens a sense of peace, connection, and love to you. And simply picture yourself vividly at ease in that space now. Just for now, feel how it feels in your body to not have any pressure to do anything, to make money, to work in any way you don't want to prove yourself or accomplish anything. Not that there's anything wrong with those things, but just for this experiment, notice and imagine how it feels in your body to release the need or pressure for any of those things for right now. And from that space, imagine yourself feeling light and relaxed and going for a walk around your neighborhood at the perfect time of day or night for you. See yourself seeing everything around you, drinking it in and appreciating everything you lay eyes on, just for its simple beauty and the wonder of its existence. Notice the smells that you imagine that neighborhood having, really drinking it in and receiving it, enjoying it, allowing it to reach and soothe the deepest layers of your spirit. Notice the sensation of the air on your skin, how it feels as if you could breathe in through every pore in your body and receive the bliss of the perfect temperature and movement of air flowing through you. See what it's like to greet and interact with your loved ones and your neighbors from a place of having nowhere in particular that you need to be, not something that you have to rush off and do, but to really stop and feel them, appreciate them, see them, and enjoy who they are. And notice how they respond differently to the depth of your presence and genuine appreciation. And see yourself doing and creating whatever it is you do. Maybe it's an activity or a hobby or a creative project, from a place of curiosity, of exploration, of play and joy. Totally content as you are, but creating just to see what you can make, seeing how it feels to approach it from that place. And see yourself at the end of the day, totally at ease and relaxed, satisfied with the way you went about your day, not worried about what you have to do tomorrow or analyzing if you made the most of every single microsecond in the day, but instead allowing yourself to hit the pillow with a sense of inner ease and love for everything in your life as it is. At ease with the knowledge that you can trust that tomorrow will be full of appreciation for all the simple and beautiful things in your life. And as you take some final moments to really revel and savor in the beauty of this simple life, just notice the feeling tone and texture that's reverberating through your energy field, through your body. Get familiar with it as you soak it in. Really allow yourself to hit the ground floor of this deep ease, where you're not holding on to leaning into the next moment or to what you think you need to do, but really let yourself touch and feel the sensation of wholeness and deep contentment with this moment. To truly notice how that feels in the body as best you can without holding it back. And now see from this place how it's a harmonious balance, how you can still create and achieve and make the moves you want to, but from a pace that feels more at ease, that feels more connected, that creates the space within yourself that all that activity is ultimately trying to create anyway. You're creating directly out of that space, having your cake and eating it too, feeling the fullness of life and allowing it to pour out from that full cup to create even more for yourself and those around you. So if that feels good, what I suggest is to make an intentional commitment to take some time every morning to steep yourself in this emotional and energetic space, to make that full cup your baseline and create from that place, either through your own practice or revisiting this track or any of the others on this page that might serve you. But it requires you giving yourself that time to drop in and be intentional about connecting to it. It won't just happen on its own because you have a lifetime of unconscious habits of just barreling forward and leaning into the next moment. So if you wish to live from that deeper spirit that you yearn to connect to and live from, one must prioritize spending time every day building that relationship with it. So continue to savor the feelings and sensations and headspace you've created in this session, and carry those feelings and that internal rhythm consciously back with you into your day. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Notice any shifts. And I thank you for taking this time for yourself today. I would love to hear your reflections and the details of your experience, whatever you wish to share, and feel free to share this with anyone you think might benefit from it. I hope you have a beautiful day.